Alachua County Fire Rescue and Emergency Medical Services will have new equipment to protect them during an active shooter situation. TV 20's Valeria Thomas is live tonight in the studio to tell us more about why they're needed.
ACFR received federal grants to fund body armor vests. I spoke to a lieutenant on the benefits.
It's kind of unprecedented. It was a big change for emergency medical services and fire rescue.
Alachua County Fire Rescue and Emergency Medical Services personnel will soon have body armor vests to protect them while treating victims in an active shooter situation.
The component in active shooter that was failing was the emergency medical services, fire rescue. And the reason they were failing is because they weren't being allowed access to the patients early enough in the incident where life-threatening injuries could be treated and the patients could have better outcomes.
Lieutenant Torsell says that each vest costs $750, and within that vest there will be a steel plate for firefighters to protect them from gunshots. The vest will be different from those worn by law enforcement officers.
It also has some additional compartmentalization on it that allows us to keep medical equipment to treat patients while we're working hand in hand with law enforcement officers.
ACFR received 3 separate grants from the North Central Florida Healthcare Coalition. The coalition is a federal initiative to help reduce the danger facing the healthcare community. The first grant was written last year, and ACFR received their first 2 sets of body vests this year. ACFR currently has 44 vests and can now order more next month.
EMS not being able to get in early enough and treat patients was part of the reason why there were large numbers of deaths, and we'd like to prevent that here in Alachua County should something occur, and we're taking the necessary steps to do that.
Torsell says the coalition helped them purchase over 75% of the equipment. ACFR plans on having 76 body armor vests by March 2019. Reporting live in the studio, Valeria Thomas, TV 20 News.